What the hell is this? Oh my god. The frame rate. It's terrible. Oh jeez. How can my computer still run this thing? Jesus Christ. Oh jeez. Oh man. No. No, not that way. For God's sake. This is wonky as shit. I'm not touching anything right now. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. Why is the frame rate so bad? Ah! No, stop! Make it stop! Oh jeez, I don't know if this is the right game for me. No, I can't even read the instructions. Pick up, right click, throw, right click, press left click, seat, crouch, shift to run, rotate object, hold, alt, control, with object in hand. Zoom, interact, menu, escape, parts, radio, selection. Well, I'll be damned if the frame rate goes up. What is up with the sensitivity and this? Alright, so where is this? Controls, options, graphics. Oh, I mean, maybe if I load down the graphics. Oh, music, I don't care. Graphics. Everything is on epic. Let's lower everything down to medium and see if everything just works. Resolution, you can change the resolution. Oh, gamma, view, depth of field. What does that mean? Accept. Guess it's got a little better. Mouse sensitivity, can we set it down to like what? Yeah, I want to set it down to 0. Okay, see if this works. Hey, it's actually kind of better. Okay, sensitive as hell. I thought I changed the sensitivity. Freaking out. Do I need to... What? This is to rise the sensitivity, right? Oh wait. Did I lower the sensitivity? Okay, that is sensitive as hell. That is the music volume. Graphics, controls, hey, controls. Is that the best that I... Oh my god. This is stupid. Sandbox mode, what does it mean by sandbox? Graphics. Let's set everything on low and see if we can at least get like 10 frames. View distance, why do we need to view distance? Window mode, oh, okay. What does it mean by resolution scale? Oh wait, we can set the resolution so low. Hey, look at the frames. It's actually going up. Yeah, what is this? Don't know what's the best resolution, let's just leave it that way. What is a gamma? Oh jeez, everything is white as hell. Let's just set it back up to 21. No, I'll take it. Accept. Hey, the frames are actually good now. See how the... Oh, what am I doing? Hey! Oh, looky. Oh, so when you send... Oh, jeez. When you set it to near, everything just looks closer. Huh, what's this? Oh, wait. This has to be the bloopers. This will have to be the bloopers. Oh my god, I want to kill myself. Why did I do this? I'm a fool. I've just gone full retard.